Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put games on your website here on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To put games on your Wix website, you have several options depending on the type of game and how you want to integrate it. Alright, you can embed pre-built games and add HTML-based games or link to an external gaming platforms. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Sites because that would lead you to the Wix editor. Now, first off, we can embed HTML5 games. And if you're not familiar with HTML5, these are like website or HTML-based kind of games where you can embed on any other platform like Wix. All right, so I let you decide on the games that you want to embed. It's a little bit limited, but of course, we can have like an option here on the pre-K, first grade, third grade, fifth grade, seventh grade. Now, I'm going to be choosing something like maybe a Moto Town, a pool party Moto Town. If you want to play that, that's okay. You see, you can place the game link on your website. It's a very easy thing to do. All you have to do is copy this. It is very important. Copy that and switch over to your Wix editor. Now, on the left side panel of your dashboard, click on Add Element. And there's going to be an option that says Embed Code. Right? Click on the Embed Code. You see, you have 4 popular embeds: Custom Element, Embed HTML, or Embed a Site. Alright? Or a Custom Elements. And of course, we're choosing the Embed a Site because that is from an HTML5 based kind of website. Now, here, all we have to do is paste the code. All right. And the option here is going to be something like all right, so this is going to be the game. So we have successfully embedded the game from HTML5. Right, so that's one way. And of course, you can still hover to the website of HTML5 to embed as much as games as you can. All right. Now, the next option is I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Add Apps. On the app market, we might want to try to find like a game here that we can install. So type in games if you have. So you see, we have like let's click the see more results. We're going to be having a lot of games. You can use the pop-up games, Cross a Chicken, Spin Wheel, Photo Editor, and a lot more. But for now, I'm going to use the pop-up games. Click that, and what will happen is you would be forwarded to this section that says Add to Site. You can improve conversion with pop-up games. And of course, it's free. You don't have to worry about any subscription plan that is required to install this platform. Click Add to Site. What will happen is there's going to be a pop-up window that is requiring you to agree and add and allow and authorize pop-up games to your Wix website. All right, just wait for it to load and then it's going to be integrating everything on your dashboard. Wait for it. Once you have installed the game, you might want to search another game for your website. All right. What about Cross a Chicken? Let's try that. Now it's going to be $4, but make sure that this is something that you'd like to install. Now, some of the most experienced Wix users are basically getting the help from Velo. All right, they use Velo to build custom games. And if you want to develop a more interactive custom game using Wix, you can use Velo by Wix, which is going to be another development platform to create and embed simple games directly to your site. All right, all you have to do is simply click on Start Developing. Click on the Dev mode at the top to enable Velo. This will open a coding environment where you can write JavaScript to create interactive games or integrate more complex gaming logic. All right. And from there, you can build custom game logic. You can write custom JavaScript code to create quizzes, puzzles, or other types of game. You can use Evelo APIs to handle things like user interaction, scoring, and game event. All right. And as I've mentioned earlier, you can simply go back again to HTML5 games, and you can also try to explore the Monstera gaming platform with fun and exciting exclusive HTML games on your website. Now, if you click on the learn more option here, you see, you can start monetizing using this platform. If you click that, all you have to do is put in all the information. And then after that, hover again to the HTML5 games. And from here, for example, I'm going to add the Zoo Bloom. Kind of, remember the process earlier, copy the link, all right? Click that. And also, if you want to become a partner of Famobi, you have a significant amount of traffic, offering cross-platform games with the affiliate program of Famobi.com. If you want to read more information, as you can see, click on OK. Because one of my clients has been an affiliate partner program of the HTML5, which he embed on the website using the code embed code option. All right. If you want to apply for the affiliate partner, because not only you are putting games on your website, you're also earning on the side. Click on apply now option. And of course, fill in as much as information as you can on this. All right. Click on submit, and one of the support staff from Famobi will reach you out on how you can be partners. All right. And then switch back to your Wix editor, because we're gonna get back to the add elements on the left side panel of our dashboard. Wait for it to load. It'll take a little while. And again, if your game has a scoring system, you can use the Wix database to store and display high scores or leaderboards. All right. Click on add elements. We're going to click on the embed code. And again, we're choosing the embedded site. And from there, we are going to enter the HTTP, which is going to be from Famobi. And there you go. We have successfully embedded simultaneous games on our website. By following these steps, you can add games to your Wix website, whether you're embedding existing games, using apps from the Wix app market, or developing custom interactive games with Evelo. This can help make your website more engaging for visitors. Not only that, you can also be a partner of some platforms like Famobi. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.